Good day everyone. This tutorial I'm about to show you is actually a repetition of a tutorial I did some time ago. The reason for me doing this is because that tutorial got into a whole copyright issue. There was a background music and people will actually show ads on it, and the owners of the music will actually earn from it. So I made this one so I can take that one down. Okay. So this tutorial was made of someone's request in the last tutorial. So in this tutorial I will be showing you how to implement Google Admob in your games. So first of all, open your Gdevelop file, create a new project. You can work with any game, it doesn't matter, but I will be using platformer for now. Okay, here's our scene. Now there's some things you need to be bothered about for this to work. Project manager, game settings, properties. First of all, for this to work you need a game name, 1. You need a package name, 2. And you need your Admob application ID, 3. To have the application ID you have to have a Google Admob account. You should create that. So add game name platformer, package name, com.example.platformer. Now you have to set something different, like something that you think no one has. So I just said the gem tutorials. Try not to give space in between, else you just it won't work. So that's it. Now let's apply. Now for this to work we need to add an action as an Admob action. So now you can choose where to add it in case you want it at the beginning of the scene. That means the game starts and your Admob shows. You can just add condition here at the beginning of the scene. Add banner. I will be using banner. Load banner. So we will leave this blank for now. We need to get the Android banner ID from the Google Admob. So display at top, you can choose where you want it to be displayed. I want it at the top, yes. Test mode, no. Display on load. You can actually choose if you want it to display when it loads up, and I don't want. Okay, yes, I want that. Overlap web view, no. We could just set that to yes. Okay, I think that's what we need to do now. Now you open your Google Chrome, your browser. You go to your Chrome, your Google Admob account. Okay, this is what I've earned today, this month so far, last month. Okay, so now you go to your apps. At the bottom of this you can see add app. You click on that, add app. Now they will ask you, have you published your app on Google Play or App Store? No, the App Store is actually for the iOS. Now our app name, that's platform Android. I will be publishing it in Android. Now let's add that. That should load up. Okay, now we have this is the app ID. This is what we actually need to place for add to connect this to our app. So you copy that and you come to your Gdevelop, click on this, properties. Now you scroll down here, Admob application ID, you paste that in. So here it is, apply. So now let's open, you go back to Chrome. We need to add an add unit for this to actually show. So create add unit. Now this is why I chose this is here, I chose banner, load banner, because here we have load banner. You can also choose initials and reward video, because this shows us a video here, and I want to use banner for this tutorial. So you click on banner. You can't actually set load banner here and click on initials or reward and copy the ID and paste here. It won't work. You have to go with what's here, load banner, what you choose. So banner, select, Now add unit name. Now this is where we need to paste our properties. This is where we need to paste this package name. Now just copy that, apply, and paste that. Now here it is. It has to be in reverse. You can actually place anything. It has to start with com dot whatever you want, and you can place that. Now create add unit. Now with this, our add unit has been created, but that won't work yet. We need to still copy this. This is what loads the banner here. Control copy, Gdevelop. Now you open your load banner. Now here you paste it, you put quotation mark. Now Control V, I've copied it, and you use your quotation mark and close it. And with that, here it is. It's done. Now you just click on OK. Come back to Chrome and done. Now I think you actually need to wait for an hour before it starts showing ads, because if we export this like in an hour time, or if we export it now and run it in an hour time, it should start showing ads, and that's how it's done. It's really simple.